It's been a very long time since I have opened these bottom drawers. So this used to be for my planner stuff. I used to do planner stuff. That's actually how I found Talia that got me into the hard gel nails, I would say. So I am taking these bad boys out. And I do have some of my crafting things in here as well. So I did have, like, I used to make cards back in the day. So this is what I'm working with again. So I was doing a couple TikTok videos, and so this ended up being a huge mess. So I have to put that away. I got these bad boys for my label maker. I'll link them below. I love these guys. These are clear with black text, and they work with my Brother labeler, which is down on the floor right there. And that is what I use on my swatch sticks. So I also have to label those. I want to put this stuff away and kind of start new. I also have these guys down here, which are my little books that I'm going to put my nail decals in. So I want to do that as well. All right, so I went ahead and took it out of the package. And so this is what it looks like. I just got them off Amazon. I can link them below. And they are just little envelopes. So I like that. I thought about keeping them flat, actually. That you actually just bend them. And voila. And then you can like label them here. I'm not gonna use these labels. I'm probably just gonna use my clear and black. So, not sure if you guys remember in my last one. I'll see if I can put it up here, but I have these and these. And I tried doing it with this, but not sure if you can tell that they stick out. It don't work. Works fine, I think, for water decals, but we're not doing water. Well, we are, but not right now. Okay. Let's fast forward. All right, so I need to get a couple more of these. I have some downstairs, actually, that they were more expensive than these ones. They are literally the exact same, but for some reason, it was cheaper to do it in a 2-pack, even though it was more expensive at the time now than it was to do them individually. I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. It was cheaper to do them individually at the time than it was to do them in a 2-pack. And then the 2-pack went on sale and then on sale again. So I have some more downstairs that were full price, but I'm gonna see if Amazon can like credit the difference. And that way I can keep them. I also have some coming from China, but they were ordered early December because I knew like between the pandemic and, you know, the holiday season, it was going to be a hot minute, and I don't even know where they are. It says they are like on their way from like December 12th, I think. But they're nowhere to be found. So as of right now, we're working with the ones I got off Amazon. They're literally exactly the same, so it's not a big deal. But I want to get a couple more. Also, it showed me that I don't really have a lot of stickers. Like I thought I did, and I thought I had a lot of water decals, but I really don't. Like I can put these all in a section that are like, I could do like the blue, and then I can do like the red, so I don't have that much. Then I have some Halloween ones as well, so I need to put those in. But I also have some animal ones that I am separating the holographic ones from the normal ones, meaning I'm gonna stick holographic on one side and then normal on the other. So I'm waiting for that other book. And then I'm really happy that I got this done. I'm not gonna lie. Like this was a really good one for me. All right, so this is where I had them. If you watched in that previous video, you guys know this is what I wanted to address as well. So I'm trying to decide if I want to put this back in or not. Cause like I feel like that can just like be snug back there. That needs to face this way so I can see. Yeah. I'm good. I'm good with that. Especially for now. And that way I can see all these, and then I might end up turning those this way depending. We'll see. But as of right now, I am very happy with this. Very, very, very happy. Okay, so I got some more stickers in from my AliExpress haul. And originally, so these were the original ones I ordered. And then, so I ordered these 2 months ago, and I just got them in, and they took forever to get here. And thankfully I was impatient, ordered these off Amazon, paid like 3 times the price, but it's fine. And I'm glad I did, because the whole point was to fit these larger ones in here. So I don't know. I'm a little irritated. So I do have these guys, which you may have seen in the last video, or it's part of this video. I'm not quite sure where we are in life, but I want to add these guys to it. Should I add it to like the liney section? Like I haven't quite figured out how I want to do these. Like, does that go with like lines because it's super like together? But I was like, well, these are all abstract, so I'm putting like abstract things together. So this will probably be reorganized like a billion times. So don't get too attached on how this is organized. So there's that. Okay, these are animals, but I want to keep these guys out. I want to do a look with this one and potentially, I'm not even frame. So I'm debating keeping these out because I for sure want to do a look. And I wasn't originally going to add these. but now that I'm looking at it, I might be okay. Like if I use like one of these guys, like one of the kind of lighter ones. So I'm gonna keep these two out for a look. And this is still abstracty. This is animals in spring. Like, do I do seasons now? I have holidays in one. You know, I'm not gonna put these in one. I'm just going to do that. I am gonna put these in though. I don't even necessarily want them to be super together. Perfect. The great thing about these guys is that you literally can like shake it and it pushes everything to the ground. Like look, it just pushed it all, not in frame again, just pushes all in there. So I'm gonna put these with the other ones that I have because I have some that are also flowers and I was like, well, that's like springy. So yeah. All right, so I am waiting on laundry to finish. I figure I would go ahead and do some labeling. So I got some Nail Addict and some Madam Glam in, and I'm gonna try to get these ones all labeled before the laundry's done. So Nail Addict actually went ahead and, sorry, I lost my train of thought, because I was typing. Changed their name, so they are now called Nail Reserve instead of Nail Addict. But I'm still labeling them as Nail Addict because when I go to pull them, I'm gonna see it as Nail Addict, even though I know it's changed.
Can grow.